Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how I pack my bag when I'm traveling. So this is how my bag looks from the inside. I have packed everything into pouches. These particular pink pouches, I have bought them from Amazon. They come in a set of 5 and they also come in different sizes so you can pack your things accordingly. In this pouch I have my skincare products, my makeup products, my hair accessories, my medicines and all the other essentials are in this pouch. I have divided all my things into small pouches because it gets easier for me to find things when I need it and it also doesn't look messy. And on the other hand, I have kept all of my clothes in these transparent pouches. I got them from a local market and I think you can also find them on Amazon or Flipkart. So in the other section of my bag, I have kept all of my food essentials, my lingerie, and in these plastic boxes, I have kept all of my accessories so that they don't break. So I think it's a very convenient way to store your accessories. In this pouch, I have kept all of my dry snacks, some chocolates, and all that I need. And since I'm a Gujarati, snacks are a must. In this pouch, I have kept all of my lingerie and yeah, that's pretty much it. Well, this is how I pack my bag for vacation and this just helps me to be more organized and it's quite convenient and doesn't look messy. And yeah, that's pretty much it guys. I hope you like this video. I'll share the link of these pouches that I bought from Amazon below, and do let me know if this video was helpful for you guys in the comment section below. Also do let me know in the comments below what kind of videos do you want to see on my channel next. So that's it for today guys. See you in my next video. Bye.